Today I'm in my yacht. Not really a yacht, it's from Roblox. And I got some binoculars. That's the island. Look at the idiots. Did he just... And look, that's the sort for you getting free admin. No, it's not real. It's just a badge that makes you think you got real admin. What? Why is there a whole war going there? And guys, you wanna see my cool music? Oh. Let's hear some cool music. Just for you guys, for the ears won't be... What the... Wait a minute. Oh, that's not a missile at my yacht. No. Yeah! What about this music?
Hey.
What? Oh my god! The ship is flooding! This was a bad idea to put music. Who the hell is shooting my ship? I mean yacht. I'm gonna use my magic wand. Damn. What? Oh, you haven't decided the ship. If you want to play this game, it's called Destroy the Ship. There's many versions of it. But you can find it very easily. So goodbye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate that line so much. I even had to use it. Look, I even made the video 2 minutes long. Goodbye.